if you look at on this example, okay, it asks you to find how many different 4-digit number can be formed using digit 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 9. So we know that when we arrange a digit, so the order is important, because the way we arrange 1, 2, 4, 6 and the way we arrange 1, 4, 2, 6 are two different ways, right? So this is where the order is important. So that is where we need to use permutation. Okay, for number 1, when the repetition of digits is allowed, so let's say we want to arrange 4 digits, right? So the number of selection that we have are 1. Okay, the selection of digit that we have are 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 9. So that is a total of 6 digits. So we have 6 digits of selection. So in the first place, we can select all the 6, and since the repetition is allowed, so for the second place, we also can select the whole 6 digit. Same thing for the third and the fourth place. So this is where we have 6 power 4. Okay, and if you refer to the formulation that we have before, so for the permutation with repetition, the formula will be n power r. So for this case, our n is 6 and our r is 4. So 6 power 4. So your calculation can be, you can use by using this or this, right? Either one. So you can show your calculation either by using the first method or the second method. It should give the same answer. Okay, for number 2, the repetition of the digit is not allowed. So means that, let's say if you have select 1 to be in the first place, you cannot select 1 anymore to be on the second place, right? So we have 4 places of digit. Okay, so the selection is still 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9. So we have 6 digits. So the first place we have 6 number of selection, and then it will reduce 1. Let's say you have select 1 to be in the first place, so you cannot select that digit anymore to be on the second place. So the number of selection will be reduced 1, then it will be 5, it will be 4, it will be 3. Then you need to multiply the whole digit. So it will be 360. Right? So 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. Okay, or okay, you can use the other type of calculation. So the formulation will be NPR. So where the N will be 6 and R is 4, because we need to fill in 4 places. So 6P4. So the answer is still 360. Okay, for number 3, so we have additional restriction where, okay, the repetition is allowed, okay, and the number form should be odd number. So you need to make sure that the digit that you form must be odd number. Okay, how to determine whether the digit is odd number? So you look at on the last digit. Okay, you focus on the last digit. The last digit can be either it should be odd digit, so it can be 1 or 7 or 9. Right? So we have a 3 selection of digit, so either 1, 7 or 9, right, in order for that number to be odd number. Okay, and then the repetition is allowed. So we have 6 selection of digit, 6 selection of digit, and 6 selection of digit. So we multiply all, right? So it will be 648. Okay, or your calculation can be, okay, 6 repetition is allowed, so n power r. So our n is okay, where our n is 6 and our r is, okay, why 3? Because you have to make sure that the last digit should be odd, right? Should be odd. So 6p3 times, so the location of the last digit, so the last digit you times with 3. Okay, sorry, this one it shouldn't be this, right? Because repetition is allowed, so it should be n power r. So 6 power 3 times with 3, so you should get the same answer.